It takes one of boundless fortitude to diverge from the expected path. A spirited soul of mettle and imagination, Grizzly Adams embodied the notion of journey. Yearning to unearth his purpose, he found true self and his calling. Fueled by a rare marriage of compassion, intensity, and wit, our fabled adventurer redefined man's relationship with nature. He forged fellowship with the wildest of animals, evolved his respect for all that was native, elevating beyond the greed of humanity. The risks taken by Adams were great, yet the rewards were greater. A better person emerged, a deeper understanding embraced. There arose a profound awareness that the world must be nurtured, that the collective good outweighed individual gains. His time here was a unique trek of uncharted exploits and astounding triumphs, where ideals were never compromised, difficulties never dodged. While Grizzly Adams far transcended the term mountain man, indeed, he was a mountain among men.
Oh.